Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Vanguard mobile banking service. So if you've earlier signed up for your Vanguard mobile banking and are wondering for ways by means of which you can log into your account on your mobile device, I'm going to show you how that can be done. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Vanguard mobile app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this. Now here what you can do is you can simply type in your username in this section and then type in your password in this section. After doing that, you can also tap on remember username so that each time that you try to log into your account, you don't have to keep repeating your username, and then tap on the log on button. As soon as you tap on the log on button, you'll get logged into your account. But before that, you can also tap on log on with touch ID so that next time you try to log in, you can simply enter your fingerprints and not your password in order to log into your account. So it is basically this very easy to log into your Vanguard mobile banking service. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to log into your own. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.